how to integrate Elementor Forms to Mailchimp. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate Elementor Forms to Mailchimp. Alright, so let's begin. Integrating Elementor Forms with Mailchimp is a simple process that allows you to capture form submissions and automatically add them to your Mailchimp email list. Here is a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Install required plugins. First, ensure that you have the Elementor Pro plugin installed, as the Pro version is necessary for form integrations. Additionally, you'll need the Mailchimp plugin for WordPress. Step 2. Create a Mailchimp API key. To connect Elementor to Mailchimp, you'll need an API key. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Then go to account, then in extras, and finally you'll find API keys. After that, click on create a key and copy the API key generated. Step 3. Set up the form in Elementor. Open the page where you want the form to appear in Elementor. Drag and drop the form widget onto the page. Customize the fields as needed, such as name, email, etc. Step 4. Configure Mailchimp integration. In the form settings, go to the Actions after Submit section. Select Mailchimp from the drop-down. A new Mailchimp tab will appear. Click on it. Paste your Mailchimp API key into the appropriate field. Select the audience or list where you want to send the form submissions. Step 5. Map the form fields. Under the Mailchimp tab, map your form fields, for example, name, email to Mailchimp's corresponding fields. Step 6. Test the integration. Finally, test the form by submitting it and confirming that the data appears in your Mailchimp audience. And that's it. You've now successfully integrated Elementor Forms with Mailchimp. So that's basically how you can integrate Elementor Forms to Mailchimp. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.